Okay guys, here's the foiler. I'm gonna do a quick look around on it to make sure there's not anything else wrong with it. It was sitting for a while. Does not look like rats have been chewing on any of the wires. Yeah, underglow light looks good. Front looks great as ever with that bend in it. Let me check out the back here. Yeah, it looks all right. I'm actually gonna pop the air box just in case a rat has made a nest in here. Luckily, I did bring a screwdriver. Let me set up the tripod and I'll get to work. Okay guys, well, you're not gonna see the clip, but I checked the air box and the carburetor. No mouse nest, no mouse droppings, are clean. Carburetor, I guess the fuel was cut off because the carburetor has no fuel in it, but the gas tank still does. So now we're gonna try to stick it back in there and see if it cranks, which I hope it does because we've been getting this battery ready for a little while now. Okay, there that goes. Let me go on and put these straps on it just in case. There they go. And here's this. There goes the red connection. Now you gotta be careful whenever you're hooking up batteries. You gotta definitely make sure it's hooked up to the right terminal. Otherwise it could shock you or could blow up. Let me stick this in there. And I'll be right back because I got the wrong nut. Okay, we are back with the right bolt. There we go. Okay, there we go with that. Let me find a good place to stick this. Yeah, I'm just gonna go on and put the seat back on, just for safety, I guess. Whew, now let's see if, I'll see if it lights up. She lights up. She lights up. Oh, this is exciting. This is really exciting. Let me turn on those headlights. Oh, yeah. Well, we're about to get this thing running. Let me see here. Let me check if it's lost any fuel before I continue. Yeah, it's got some in there. And just to make sure we are in the clear, let me check this here oil. Ooh. Dang, guys. She is low. I don't know if you could see that very well. but she is low. It's too low, and I'm kind of scared to start it, so I'm gonna go get some oil, and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, guys. Well, I ain't got no spare oil, but it's got enough oil to run it for a few minutes. Spray a little bit of PB Blaster on the chain. This stuff is really good. It's really good for lubricating and taking the rust off of old bolts or chains. And this thing is chain driven. It does not have a drive shaft, so it's kind of good to keep it lubed up. Let me check here. Oh, yeah. She's alive. Now, like I said, this thing is running off car oil, so it isn't going to be running as good as the spoiler that's running off, well, boiler oil. And sometime later on this week, we're actually going to change the oil in this thing and actually put boiler oil in it. This thing sounds good. Could just be because I haven't ridden it in a while, but it sounds way better than what I remember it being. Well, I think it's fine. Whew. Well, guys, thing runs pretty good. May have low oil, a couple little issues, but it runs great. But hopefully you guys enjoyed. Stay tuned for future videos involving this beast of a machine. I'm going to be doing a bunch of tests and a review on it sometime. We're most likely not going to make a video about this, but we could make a video about us working on the brakes. And I am thinking about doing some waterproofing on all the plugs that you can kind of see right here. There's some other in the front. I could do some waterproofing with those. I may make a video out of it. But hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one.